Whatever happened to that human and divine preciousness that we came into this lifetime with? Just hold a new baby, a puppy, a kitten, and we feel that all over again. But very early along the road of life, it seems to get lost. We forget all about it, that we are both human and spirit. And so we're going to work on bringing that back, not only in meditative inner and outer reflection, but also in a physical, easy, hands-on healing that honors that human and divine preciousness, upwelling it in you and in your client. I hope you'll come join me Sunday, October 3rd, 9:30 to 3:30 on the special VIP Healing Day. You can contact me directly, Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior, to register. This is limited to 4 to 6 people, and I would love to share this time with you. If you have any questions, email me, elsie@wellnesswithelsie.com or overwhelmwarrior.com. Have a great day.